नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए.
At the outset, I would like to express my gratitude to the Millennium School for bestowing this honor on me. It is a matter of great pride for me, and one feels truly vindicated. The pandemic threw up a lot of challenges, but human race has managed to triumph over this adversity too. Each and every member of the society played their part, and we, as doctors, have done what we are trained for, what we do best, and most importantly, what we love to do. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the academic pillars of the society, especially the Millennium School, for rising up to the challenge of online education and putting in tremendous effort in the new normal. Each and every parent is extremely thankful to all the teachers and staff. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anshuman Shukla. I'm father of Anusha. My daughter is in class 3F. And I would like to thank the Millennium School for their overwhelming encouragement and appreciation of the efforts of doctors who are the frontline workers of the pandemic that is currently going on of the COVID-19. Thanks a lot.
जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ
Hello, myself Dr. Kanti, mother of Advait Patel, who is a student in class 3C, the Millennium School. I'm really thankful for the management, the school staff, and the teachers for this expression of appreciation and gratitude. I feel really honored. But at the same time, I would like to appreciate the efforts of the Millennium School also, because as we have passed through such a tough condition, every person was feeling the same. Everyone has a feeling that whether we are going to survive or not. And at that time we were also concerned about our kids also, because we don't know whether how they are feeling about the situation, how we're going to pass through this kind of negativity. And at this time the Millennium School helped us a lot. They started the classes, and I remember that one kind of comic series for about this coronavirus was also circulated. So this shows that how they were thinking about the kids, how they are going to deal with how they were going to play their role. So I think, and I have seen during online classes of my kids that how the teachers are putting so much effort and leaving no stone unturned. And I think I'm blessed with such dedicated teachers. I really appreciate them, because I think preparing the online classes and taking their assignment and giving the feedback is not easy for a single person. And they are doing their job very wonderfully. So keep doing this wonderful work, and you people are awesome. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Beena Singh, mother of Adya Singh, class 3rd A. I am humbled and grateful for the honor given by Millennium School. It's really my pleasure. During this unprecedented time, you people are doing commendable job, especially your online classes are remarkably good. My best wishes to all the Millennium School staff and a very new year ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Ashish Shukla. I'm orthopedic surgeon and father of Ms. Satakshi Shukla, who is a student of class 3A Millennium School. I'm here to to share my experiences of last year, that is 2020, and the way it was handled by the Millennium School. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate and thanks all the teachers for all the hard work they have put in this hard times. No one ever thought at the starting of 2020 this could be a game changer or detrimental year for the human civilization. Till the time January, February, you used to hear the cases of coronavirus across other parts of the world like China and some cases in Europe and America. But in March, we are able to hear so many cases, fresh cases, new cases of coronavirus in India. And then came a long lockdown. This year was a game changer in many aspects, that the new ways of life like washing hand, wearing masks were become normal. All the schools were closed, and as a parents you're really worried about your child education. But it was the Millennium School which took all the initiative to continue the teaching, the learning of children in a normal way. It took slight time or some time for children to adjust to this new online learning. But with all the effort and hard work put in by the teachers of Millennium School, after some times these online classes even become more fun. Children used to sit in front of laptop and teacher used to interact with them in a way they were interacting in a live classes. The questions were asked in a similar way, and the teaching and the discipline was streamlined in the same way the classes were conducted earlier. Not only classes, but it was initiative by the teachers of Millennium School that the regular assessment exams and various projects which have been given to children, and they were conducted smoothly online. I myself, being a surgeon, being a doctor, knows it requires a lot of effort during these times to carry out all your essential works properly. Like for me, it's my OPD, it's my operations which I am conducting with slight modification which I used to do earlier. In similar way, I have seen teacher of Millennium School have adjusted to this new normal, and these things are conducted in a very fine-tuned way. Some days earlier, I have even seen the photographs of their annual concert, which is online, and I must congratulate all the organizers and teachers for their hard work and initiative for the smooth conduct of these annual concert. And I also came to know about the various practical exams are now being conducted for the class 12th children. I've gone through the photographs, and as a parent, it gives me immense pleasure to share my experience that it was conducted in a very fine way. When you see your children in a safe hands as a parents, it gives you a lot of relief. With this, I finish my talk, and I wish all the teachers, all the staff, and all the other administrative staff of Millennium School all the best. And I want to congratulate for the good work they are doing. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good evening, everybody. I am Dr. Garima, mother of Saksham Patel of class 3D studying in the Millennium School, Lucknow. I really want to thank the entire Millennium family for acknowledging the work of the doctors. I really feel proud and honored to receive the certificate from the school. I today also take this as an opportunity to thank all the teachers, the management, the entire school, because during this corona pandemic, when all the schools were shut, it was really tedious for you all to teach the students. Matlab, the students never felt away from the school. The way the teachers conducted the classes, the projects, the exams, everything, it was such a smooth run. I could say that the students never felt that they are not going to the school. I really appreciate and I really thank you all. Matlab, it's really heartfelt thanks, because it's very difficult to teach the students online. I really feel that, because when the teachers are there in the classroom, the entire aura is different. But when the students are at home, you have to teach them, it's entirely different. So, matlab, I have always seen the teachers teaching the students. It's really commendable job. Hats off to you all, because I don't have really words to express, but it's really a great feat on behalf of the teachers, because all the students, it's almost been an year. It's going to be an year. Jab se all the students are at home and they are studying well. So it's all the teachers' efforts. And one more thing, not only the academics, the sports, the music, everything. Online, the classes, all the classes that are conducted online, they are so good that students are doing it well, and it's really very good. One more thing, the virtual annual concert that was conducted by the school right now, it was also a feast to the eyes, and I really thank the entire team of the Millennium. You're really doing a great work. Thank you.
Thank you, the Millennium School, for acknowledging our contribution in fight against Corona. For the last couple of months, we have been continuously involved in managing COVID-19 patient. This kind of gesture from the Millennium School, Lucknow, boosts our morale. Thanks once again.
Thank you, the Millennium School of Lucknow, for giving us opportunity to speak out. Last couple of months were really stressful for us as we were busy treating corona patients. And I would like to thank whole team of the Millennium School of Lucknow for recognizing our efforts in fight against corona. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Hi, I am Dr. Punish Agarwal. I am father of Anshul and Radhika. First of all, I am very thankful to you for acknowledging our effort as Corona Warriors, and I really appreciate the hard work of teachers and management of the Millennium School for conducting online classes so efficiently. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Dr. Anshul Agarwal, mother of Anshul and Radhika. The Millennium School has given me the certificate for being the Corona Warrior. Thank you so much, and it's such an honor to get such a certificate. The Millennium School is conducting online sessions for the kids. The last 1 year has been very difficult for all of us. In this difficult time, the school is conducting the classes for the students. The teachers, they are doing really commendable work. The curricular activities as well as the extracurricular activities, they are being conducted very efficiently. The school is working tirelessly for the overall development of the children. hope that these times will end soon and hoping to see the kids back in the school again. Hopefully the classes will resume again. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Myself, Dr. Rajnish Kumar Patel, consultant cardiologist. I am very happy to get appreciation certificate from Millennium School for coronavirus. Really, the doctors and nursing staff deserves for it, because when there was environment of fear all around and people were locked in their home, doctors and nursing staff were constantly serving the humanity day and night, whether in COVID or non-COVID hospitals. I also appreciate the dedication of Millennium teaching faculty for making this slogan successful, that is, learning should never stop through their online classes. Thank you.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर अंशुमन दीक्षित है। मैं पेशे से एक डॉक्टर हूँ। जो मिलेनियम ने ये सर्टिफिकेट जारी किया है और डॉक्टर्स के लिए वो बहुत सराहनीय है, और ऐसा करने से बहुत सारे लोगों को मदद मिलती है और अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है, और अप्रिसिएशन सबको अच्छा लगता है। बस उम्मीद ये है कि हम लोग अपने काम और ईमानदारी से सुचारू रूप से चलाते रहें। धन्यवाद।
Myself is Dr. Rashmi Dikshit. Today I got a certificate from the Millennium School. I am very thankful for recognizing my hard work. Words cannot express how much the certificate means to me. I am eternally grateful that the Millennium School put a big smile on my face. Once again, thank you so much, the Millennium School, for appreciating my work. Thank you so much.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Aparna Sachan. Thank you for the appreciation certificate given by Millennium School as COVID warrior. I also want to thank Millennium teaching staff for their dedication through online classes so that students can't suffer and studies remain continued for the year. Thank you.
I thank the Millennium team for conducting these online classes, which have kept our children busy and have been imparting great education during these hard times. And they kept the children busy during the lockdown and also kept them busy in the evening with different extracurricular activities which they have been conducting. Millennium also has done great programs during this period and has also stepped forward in encouraging and acknowledging the work that many of the doctors have been doing. I thank them for doing that and keep up the great work. Thank you.